Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade Windows 10 for optimal performance, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade Windows 10 for optimal performance, begin by backing up your important files. This ensures that your data is safe in case of any issues during the upgrade. Next, check for system requirements. Make sure your device meets the minimum specifications for the latest Windows 10 update. Open the Windows settings by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Navigate to the Update and Securities section in the Settings menu. Click on Windows Update to check for available updates. If updates are available, click on Download to start the process. Once the download is complete, click on Restart Now to initiate the installation. During this process, your PC will restart several times. After installation, verify that all drivers are updated. You can do this by visiting Device Manager from the control panel. Expand each category and look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark. Right-click on any outdated drivers and select Update Driver. You can also visit the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Next, optimize your startup programs to improve boot time. Open Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab. Disable any programs you do not need to start up with Windows by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Consider running the Disk Cleanup tool to remove unnecessary files. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and select the tool. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. Check the types of files you want to remove, then click on OK and confirm. To further enhance performance, consider adjusting your computer's power settings. Go to the control panel and select Power Options. Choose High Performance for maximum efficiency. Next, you can also perform a defragmentation if you are using a hard disk drive. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives in the Windows search bar. Select your drive and click on Optimize. This process may take some time to. Finally, consider resetting your PC if you still experience performance issues. In the Update and Security section, select Recovery. Choose Reset this PC and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose to keep your files or remove everything based on your preference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.